Hi, I'm Corey Weatherton. I'm one of the directors of product development for Entegra Coach, and we are inside a 29F Vision. It's actually model year 2022, so I wanted to create this video to show you what's new for this model year. So as we're panning throughout this floor plan, recognize we're primarily talking about what's new, but just put in the back of your mind, this is a 29F Vision by Entegra Coach, simply because I know in the comments section below, that'll be a question. Hey, I love the floor plan, but what's it called? 29F Vision by Entegra Coach. Not new for model year 22, but this is something we've been proud about for a long time, is our front overhead bunks. Now, our front overhead bunks, we've been using this style for quite some time. It's a Euroloft system. Easy down, easy up. If you look at some of our competition at this specific price point, oftentimes it's hinged somewhere towards the front. It's kind of clunky up and down. Our overhead bunks on all of our product, gas Class A's and Class C's, are rated at 750 pounds. So realistically, comfortably 2 adults could get up there. But I just want to show you how it works because we're proud of it. First thing is you need to undo this seat belt here. That functions 2 things. One, it's an electrical disconnect, but then also just a safety. If something were to happen, that corner would catch. Turn my key to on, and then push the down button. So just watch how smooth down this goes. So very smooth going down. Just to give you a heads up, if I were to want to put this down all the way, these seats have to slightly recline. It will come down to approximately here. So the top of your bed will be approximately here. We give you a ladder, but then also a front and rear bumper so kids can't roll out in the middle of the night, or even adults if you have a rolling problem. So easy down, easy up, just push the up button, and it is just as quiet and just as smooth going up. So I wanted to point that out to you because, like I said, it's something that we feel like we do much better than our competition. As we're in this angle, some of the things I want to talk to you about is things that you can't see. First of all, one of our enhancements to model year 2022 is a 190 watt solar panel with a dual controller. So what does that mean? So we've mounted a 190 watt solar panel to this roof and then a dual controller. The dual controller will monitor your house batteries and then also your chassis battery. So let's say this is sitting outside of your house. Your chassis battery is drained a little bit, but your house batteries are drained significantly. That solar charger, the dual controller, will charge your house battery and your house battery and your chassis battery. Got those two mixed up simultaneously. But when your chassis battery is topped off, it will essentially close that circuit and keep power going to your house batteries, 2 house batteries in this motorhome. And so we think that's a great feature because if you're boondocking, if you are dry camping, you're going to be able to keep your batteries to somewhat of a healthy charge level. But as I said, if this is outside of your house in the summer, in the winter, this will definitely save you on costly repairs for your batteries, or costly replacements, I should say. As you know, one of the worst things that can happen to a battery is that it gets drained all the way down, and then when you go to charge it, its life cycle is extremely shortened. So this will prevent you from prematurely having to change your chassis battery or your house batteries. Another thing that's standard on this motorhome, which you cannot see, is we've added a Winegard 2.0 Connect for this model year. So in layman's terms, what is a Winegard 2.0 Connect? It has 2 functions. The first function is really free of charge. Sure, you paid for the Winegard 2.0 Connect when you bought this, but after that, it's free of charge. So it's essentially a Wi-Fi range extender. So if you're anywhere near a restaurant that has free Wi-Fi access, or maybe your RV park, free Wi-Fi access, if it's a weak signal, that Winegard 2.0 Connect that we've mounted to the roof will actually take that signal and enhance it and magnify it so that inside your motorhome you have a stronger signal for your hotspot. So that's going to be great. Why is that great? Well, one of the additions we've made this model year is we've changed all of our living room area televisions to smart TVs. So this Insignia Fire Smart Television has apps preloaded. So if you are at the RV park and that Wi-Fi range extender is grabbing that signal and enhancing it, you'll be able to stream your favorite apps on this smart TV. We're excited about this television. We think it's a great addition for model year 2022. Why is it a great addition? Because folks, we're living in 2021. Maybe you're watching this in 2022 next year. I hate to say this, but the days of VHS and DVDs are kind of in the past. And so we want to give you a smart TV, whether it's yourself, whether it's your children watching what they do at home. Now, this does not limit you. It doesn't hamstring you from the fact of maybe you do love your VCR tapes, your VHS tapes. You can still hook up a VCR player, DVD player to this television if that's what you prefer. But we did upgrade that this year. So that going back to the Winegard 2.0 Connect, that first feature is essentially a free feature of being able to have that Wi-Fi range extender. The second feature is a paid feature. Now, it's not a forced one, so I want you to understand that. But the second feature or function is essentially a mobile hotspot. So from your cell phone provider or even through Winegard, you can buy a monthly data plan, and going down the road, this becomes your mobile hotspot. So we understand in this day and age, a lot of you are working from home. Maybe you are just wanting to do some work on vacation. And so we've allowed this motorhome to give you full internet access to be able to accomplish what you need to accomplish today. And as I said, that second function of a mobile hotspot through a cell phone provider or Winegard, it's not forced, and so it's not something you have to take advantage of if it's not of any use to you. Inside this motorhome, we did change to a different interior decor package. This is called Brighton. We think that this decor package is absolutely beautiful. As we changed the Brighton decor fabrics on the sofas, also our valances, we also changed our countertop colors. We think this is absolutely beautiful. Inside this 29F floor plan, you walk inside, it feels very much like the decor you'd have at home. And so absolutely beautiful. The second decor on this motorhome is going to be your modern farmhouse. A lot of you have seen that. If you've not seen it, check out our website or even your local dealer, and they'll be able to help you out with that. As we come back, one of the things we've done for this model year is we've removed the ABS toilet, and we actually switched to a porcelain toilet. As you know, that porcelain toilet is going to be easier to clean. It's going to be a little bit nicer for you with durability. As we come back, this is our bunkhouse floor plan. So we have our upper lower bunk. We also have televisions in here for the children or adults, whoever's staying in here, if you'd like to watch television on the road. Coming back further, I want to show you the bedroom. This bedroom is very large and spacious for such a short floor plan. We do have a queen size bed. We do have our overhead lights. These overhead lights will change from the bright reading light to a blue, kind of a mood or night light scenario. We do have an AC back here as well. All of our Visions are 50 amp coaches. Your front is going to be a 15K with a heat pump. Your rear is a 13.5, giving you plenty of cooling for such a large motorhome that's going to have probably a lot of bodies in it because it is a bunkhouse. So this is our 2022 29F Vision by Entegra Coach. And again, my name is Corey Weatherton, one of the directors of product development for Entegra Coach. And I want to thank you for watching this video today. I know you're taking time out of your day. If you have any questions at all, please contact us at the factory. We would love to help you out with those technical questions. As you call in, the individual answering the phone will wonder what state you're in. They'll connect you with the sales rep for that state, and they'll be able to answer any questions you have. Also, if you don't know who your local dealer is, on our website, we do have a dealer locator. Take advantage of that, or even if you need to, if it's easier for you, if you just prefer, contact the factory. We'll be able to help you out with that as well. We'd love to answer any questions. We'd love to see you get connected with your local dealer, because in reality, that's where this motorhome will be. That's where you'll pick it up. We encourage you to build a good relationship with them. So again, Corey Weatherton, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great rest of your day, as well as a good camping season.